Okay, it's Trashman for the ZX Spectrum. A fellow YouTuber requested this game, so let's have a look, shall we? Trashman required must be alert, nimble-footed, and able to hold his drink. That's a laugh, isn't it? What's my name? Why can't you just type your name in? No more applicants. Okay, I've got to go and collect 5 bins from Montague Road. Now, you walk around and you get the bins basically. You get your bin, you take it to the what you call it, the vehicle, tip some in, and you take it back and put the bin back. The vehicle moves up the road, and the funny thing about this is you can also go and have some sex from some of the houses. Look, want a tip. In other words, have some sex. Oh, having some sex. Good. Keep off the grass. Hehe, I'm sorry. What the feck happened then? Trashman killed in Montague Road. You only get 1 life. Oh my god. Try again, shall we? Okay, let's go and get. Let's try this again, shall we? Here comes the vehicle. Doopy 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 doo, doopy 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 doo, doopy 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 doo, doopy doo. Doopy 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 doo, doopy 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 doo. She didn't want some sex that time. Oh, that was close. Doopy 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 doo, doopy doopy doopy. It's quite fun. There's a lot of walking involved, and you walk slower when you've got the bins, so you've got to be careful of the road. Where are you going? Wait. Let me put that in. Let's go back quick before the cars come speeding down the road. Someone should complain to the council about this road. Do I want a copy of 3D Monster Maze? I'll have a copy of 3D Monster Maze. What on earth did you expect an original? Very funny. Careful of the cars. These drivers have got no. They've got no sense of the brakes. They just speed across. They don't care if they mow you down. Put it down. Put it down. Do you want a tip? I'll have some sex. That's got Trashman worried. I'm his taxi inspector. Okay. I'm worried now. Oh my god, taxi inspector. Just ask me if I want a tip. Why would the taxi inspector ask me if I want a tip? Ooh. Where you going? Where did I put that bin? There it is. We've had complaints about your activities in Montague Road twice more, and you're fired. Charming. I'm the only person who's blooming collecting the bins. I don't see any of the other trash guys collecting them. That's very considerate of you. I'm on your grass, haha. I'm on your grass. This game, Trashman, for the ZX Spectrum, is pretty good. I like it. It's fun to play, and it's got great graphics, as you can see. The sound isn't brilliant, just bleeps and blops, but that's quite normal on a 48k game. I'm gonna give this game. Whoa, that was close. I'm gonna give this game a 7 out of 10. Goodbye.